Hey, what's up everyone? It's Easy Speeds and Feeds, and in this video I'll show you how to use contour ramp and helix bore. Here is our part, and we have a couple toolpaths already, and basically we want to ramp around the profile of the part and mill out those holes. So the counter bores and then the pocket in the middle. So go to contour, select the outside of the part, go to tool, and this 1/2 inch tool will do just fine. We'll go to cut parameters, contour type, we'll do ramp, we'll click depth, and we'll type in 100 thou. Linking parameters, change that to absolute, throw in a clearance for safety, and we'll select the bottom of the part as depth. Okay, click the check. And now we'll backplot it to see how that looks. So, remember we typed in 100 thou for ramp? So every time it goes around this part, it's going to be 100 thou deeper. So that's 1 inch at 100 thou ramp, so that's 10 times around the part. So that looked perfect. Now, to do these holes, we'll do helix bore. Check the diameter real quick. It looks like it's a 1 inch diameter, so that 1/2 inch tool will work just fine. Okay, so we selected helix bore. Now we want to click on the counter bores, click the check, go to tool, use the 1/2 inch tool, cut parameters, that all looks fine, rough and finish. So here we can adjust how deep it goes every time it goes around the counter bore. So we'll go 50 thou, and then for our finish we'll go 100 thou. And you'll see in backplot, we'll go over that in backplot so you can see what I'm talking about. So linking parameters, again we'll set everything to absolute. Depth, we'll just select the bottom of the counter bore. Tool, click the check. Okay. Now it's time to backplot. So it's helix boring. Every time it goes around, it's 50 thou deeper. So 10 times around because it's a 1/2 inch down. Now it's to do its finish pass, which is 100 thou times. Every time it goes around, it's 100 thou deeper. So that's only like 5 passes. So rough and finish, rough and finish. So for our middle hole, we can either do a helix bore, or we can copy and paste this ramp toolpath and use that to bore out this hole. So contour ramp you can use in a lot of different areas of machining. So you can do bores with it, you can go around profiles, all types of stuff. So we'll go to multi-passes, give it 400 thou pass by 3 times, so it's going to step over 400 thou at a time, do 3 passes, then 1 finish pass at 5 thou. And we're going to keep the ramp at 100 thou. Okay, let's backplot this and see what's happening. So 400 thou step over. So this is the exact same toolpath as we used to go around the part. All we did is copy and paste it and change the geometry and parameters. There's its finish pass. Perfect. Well, there's a short little video on how to use contour ramp in Helix 4. If you like fast, informative videos on Mastercam, subscribe for more, and we'll see you later. Thanks.